Yay! We are finally done with the Khan Academy fluency review and ready for some AP aligned multiple choice. So here we go. Let's dive into number 4. It tells us that we've got these two sort of shaded areas that are bounded by these two different functions, and it asks for the sum of the areas of the shaded region. We are actually going to have to do two different integrals here because on this interval, I don't know what to call it, the cubic is on top of the line, but on this interval, the cubic is underneath the line, and so we've got to split that into two separate intervals. So let's just start with, I'll do this shaded area over here first. The cubic is on top, which means you'll take your top function and you'll subtract your lower function. Now, I like putting my lower in parentheses just in case I have to distribute a negative. It's asking us to find the area, which of course means we need a definite integral here. And so I need to know what these bounds are, but I actually don't know like what this point of intersection is. It's like definitely not -1. I know it ends at 0, so I guess I know my upper bound, but I don't know that point of intersection. So to do that, I'm going to have to graph this into my y1, this into my y2, and grab a calculator and figure out what that lower interval is. And then I can do this whole integral in my calculator. I'm going to let you do that. I'm not finishing these for you. I'm just helping you set them up. And then, whatever that answer is, we're going to have to add that to the integral from 0 to this point of intersection. Another thing you can find on your calculator when you plug this into y1 and y2. You'll find this x value, and that x value is going to go here, whatever it is, just like whatever x value this is going to go here. But this time, when we're working with the shaded region on the right side of the y-axis, the cubic curve is on the bottom. So you're going to actually start with the line on top, and you're subtracting the cubic curve, which is x minus x squared plus x cubed. I would remind you, if you're doing this on paper, to put the parentheses around that second function so that you're effectively distributing. If you're doing this whole thing on a calculator, I would be doing like y2 minus y1 dx. And for this one, I would be doing y2, that's the wrong way, y1 minus y2 dx, with whatever your bounds are, so that you don't have to do this integral by hand. So there you go. There's my advice for number 4.